you're experiencing issues with your Steam Deck updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve update issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can test this by trying to browse the web or stream content. If there are issues, try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 3. Clear download cache. Navigate to the settings menu and find the option to clear the download cache. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 4. Manually check for updates. Go to the system settings and manually check for updates. This can sometimes prompt the system to resume the update process or download any missing files. Step 5. Reinstall the update. If the update is still stuck, consider reinstalling it. You can do this by going to the update section in the settings and selecting the option to reinstall or reset the update process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with your Steam Deck updates getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.